Has that ever happened to you? Yeah, same. My cupboard almost falls apart right in front of my eyes just as fast as my life. And you know what? That made me think. It's probably because I have way too many clothes stuffed inside my cupboard and I haven't cleaned it in a long time. Probably that's why your cupboard is falling apart too. And you know what? It's finally time to stop being lazy. We've been into quarantine for I don't know, 6 months, 7 months. So yeah, get up and just get to work. Clean your cupboard, be productive. It's a very rainy day today and I can't do anything else but this. I can't go out. I want to, but I can't. So this is what I'm planned today. Cleaning my cupboard. I'm probably listing my clothes into 3 piles. Reusable. I mean, things that fit me, that is. Basically, if things fit me, then I'm not gonna throw it away because I absolutely love all of my clothes. And the second one will be donation. I'm gonna donate clothes which look absolutely perfect and has nothing wrong with it. And third one is going to be throw it away pile because they're of no use anymore. So let's see what happens because I don't know what I'm going to do. This is going to be tiring because I have 2 cupboards filled with clothes that I've been stacking up ever since I was in 7th grade because I kind of stopped growing after that, so everything kind of fits me even now. So let's see what happens.
Step 1. Put them on the floor. Step 2. Start segregating.
There's something oddly satisfying about time lapses. I could literally sit and just watch a praying mantis eating a locust for 3 minutes or 5 minutes straight and I wouldn't even get bored. That's how amazing time lapses are. And watching time lapses on other people cleaning their house, room, cupboard, whatever it is a new level of joy. So, were you guys a part of this trend where you wear different colors of jeggings? Well, I surely was when I was around 7th grade, 6th grade, I guess, and I have so many jeggings in so many colors. I have green, I have red, I have maroon, I have light blue, and I have light pink. And I'm never going to wear these anymore. I don't even know why I stocked up so many things. We have 2 bags of donation stuff, so I think that was a success. So I will be very honest with you, I am one of those people who are very attached to the things that they buy. I get an emotional connection with the things that I buy, especially my clothing, because I don't really go around buying ready-made stuff. I kind of buy materials and then put my thought process into it and make a design of my own and kind of stitch it. I don't stitch it, obviously, I don't know how to stitch, but I make other people stitch it for me. So all of my clothing, most of my clothing that I own is actually a product of my thought process. So I get really attached to them and I usually don't throw them away because I feel like it's a part of me right there. But in this quarantine, one thing that I've realized is a lot of people out there are kind of struggling right now. They don't have what I have, so I have to, what I realized is I have to basically get rid of my stupid emotional connection with the clothes and stuff that I don't even use anymore and just give it to people out there who actually need it. So I think that you guys should also try doing it. It'll give you immense joy for sure, and even they'll be happy because of you. And I think that's something that all of us can find comfort in, because guess what? Right now, in this scenario, in this current time, we all need some comfort from some stranger, from our loved ones, from whoever it is. That's what we want, and that's what I surely want. And that's one of the reasons I'm doing this, even though I absolutely love every piece of clothing in my cupboard. But I told you it's a rainy day. So, the best part about cleaning your cupboard is that you'll find clothes that you thought you lost, and even that happened to me too. So, I kind of had a try on session. That's what you guys are gonna watch now. I'm just gonna wind this vlog up, and if you guys like the vlog, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also comment down below. Bye, you guys.